In this video, I'll show you how to carry out CAC registration of your business name if your business is in Nigeria or you live outside Nigeria but you want to use some popular Nigerian tools, like Flutterwave and several others. Also, you can looking for a way to make money or you just want to make more money, then you can easily add this to your business by helping other businesses do their CAC registration. You charge them and you pocket your money. Now, CAC registration of business name used to be a difficult thing. You have to be in Abuja and several other analog processes that you have to go through. But the game has changed because now you can carry out your CAC registration of your business name from start to finish and print out your CAC certificate from the comfort of your sitting room. All you need is either your phone or your laptop and then internet connection. That's all. Now, there are two basic processes that you will need to successfully register any business name with CAC. Now, I actually broke these steps into two so that it can be short and easy to follow. And I already recorded the first video where I show you the first step, which is how to reserve your business name. Is the first step and it's very important. That video is currently displayed somewhere on your screen, and we also had the link to that video in the description below this very video. You must watch that one and do that first step before you can go ahead with this one. Now, my video is the most recent and honestly one of the best CAC registration videos you will ever find on YouTube. No fluff, it's clean, very clear and straight to the point. That video leads you to this second one, and if you have already watched that video already and carry out the process up to the point of submission of your reserved name, then let's just continue from there. And of course, if you want me to help you complete this process of registering your business name, maybe you don't have time or for any other reason, then you can also contact me using the contact links that I have already added in the video description below this video. Okay, like I told you in the part 1 of this guide, I actually paused this demonstration for about 2 days. I started the name reservation on the evening of 13th, and then my reservation request was approved on the morning of 16th. That's roughly about 2 days or thereabout. So take note of that while doing your own registration. So as you can see, my reservation status has moved from pending to approved now, so we can continue our business name registration process from here. But let me just show you what this looks like. So I'll click on it. Approval note. Now, this is the document for your reservation status, which you can always print out if you want, especially if you're doing this for a client. But CAC should also send this document to your email inbox. So I'll just come back here and click Start Registration. As you can see here, there are about 6 steps that we are quickly going to be completing, and they are not difficult at all. So let's begin with the step 1, which is entering our business details. Now, I wouldn't want to fast forward this section because there are some important details that I have to explain to you. So make sure you keep watching and don't skip any part of this video. But before I continue, please, I want you to do me a favor by giving this video a thumbs up. Doing this alone helps YouTube show this video to more people who need amazing information like this. I will really appreciate. And also, you can help me share this video link on your social media handles, especially if you think that you have some followers who are doing business in Nigeria. They will really need this video. And then if you have any question for me, I believe you should, or any comment at all, then drop it in the comment section and I promise to read every one of them and answer your queries. And finally, if you are a visitor to this YouTube channel and you have not yet subscribed, why not? I bet you that I publish amazing information like this one every week. If you'd like to see more of these, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you anytime I publish new videos. Alright, let's continue. So here at the business commencement date, I want you to impute the date that you start this registration, not the date that you started doing business. The reason is because if you use an old date, then CAC will charge you for those days as if you have defaulted. So use the very day that you're doing this registration. Then let's add another details now. Remember that if you're making this registration for your client, every detail has to be that of your client and not yours. Your email. So here add your phone number. Here at principal place of business, it means the very location of your business. So add the state that your business is located in, your local government area of business, your business city, town or village, postcode, house number / building name, whichever. If your business has any branch, then fill all of this in. If not, you can skip it, it's not compulsory. Save and continue. So here at step 2, you can see that my name and my details are automatically added here as the individual proprietor. That is the owner of this business. This is the reason why if you're working for a client, you must use the client's details 100% from the very beginning of this registration process. If you want to add a corporate proprietor, then you can go ahead and click this option. I'm not about to do that, so I'll just click save and continue. Here, I will again add the nature of my business. We already did that while doing our business reservation, but I will go ahead and repeat the same details here. Here at nature of business category, just select the best one that suits your business the most. Do the same for specific nature of business. You can add more details, but only the first one will show up on your CAC certificate, so take note of that. Come here and click the add nature of business and wait a while for this to lead us to the next step, which is the step 4. Okay, so here we are to upload relevant documents which are means of identification, signature, passport, and any other documents. Now for ID, make sure that it's in PDF format, while the rest have to be image format of either PNG or JPEG. So make sure that you convert all your documents and then we are ready for upload. How to do this is easy. Just use your phone to snap your ID card, look for a plain sheet of paper and sign your signature on it, and again snap it with your phone. Make sure it's clear. Then finally, if you don't already have a passport, then just use your phone and snap your face on a plain background. That's all. And if you have a passport, you can use it directly. Now if you use your phone, all of this will be saved in JPEG, but you have to convert your ID card to PDF. You can simply upload your ID card to any tools like Canva or even Google Doc and then download it in PDF form, or use any converter on Google to do it. So I'll just go ahead and upload each of my documents right away. Make sure each of your documents is not more than 3 MB in size. Uploaded, as you can see. If you want to change it, just click the delete here and re-upload. I'll go ahead and do the same for the others. If you want to upload any other optional document, feel free to do so here and then save and continue. So here is just for me to preview and make sure that all my details are correct and are well represented. This is because once you make payment, you cannot make any change again. So take note of that. You can always go back to make changes and corrections before you make payments. And once I am cool with this, then I will proceed to payment. So, registration of your business name is 10,000 naira, excluding the little extra charges that you're going to be making. So once you're ready to pay, then click the remitter button here. So here you'll be paying 10,215 naira in total. So go ahead and make your payment. You can use any of these options here, just like we did when we were paying for our name reservation in the first video. So after your payment is successful, log in again to your dashboard and keep checking it until you see that your registration status is now showing pending approval. In that case, you just want to wait for between 2 to 5 days maximum for CAC to validate your business name registration and print or download your CAC certificate or other document that you want to use. And that is it, your business is now successfully registered. But if it is not showing, then check if you will see this not submitted here, indicating that one of your submission process is still not submitted. If that is what you see, just click it. Then here, click the filing fee paid. Here, you can see that application has now been moved to pending now. So from here, CAC can also start your review process. So I'll go back. So you can see it here now that we have one pending application. So like I said, just relax and wait for between a few hours and a maximum of 1 week. In most cases, your business name registration will be approved. Then you can go ahead to print or download your CAC certificate, and that's it, your business is registered. Guys, that's it, easy and stress-free. Like I already said, if you want me to do this registration for you, then you can connect with me using the contact details in the video description. I also offer other services like helping you get customers with your website, SEO, and I design websites, among several other things that I do. So, did this video help? Then please reward me by liking this video. I will really appreciate it. And also, if you have any questions, then drop them in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. You can also drop your comments. And finally, if you are not yet subscribed to this amazing channel, then do so right now. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.